this is Dr. Sudhana. Do you want to take your programming skills to the next level? In this video, I am going to share you what it means to truly understand programming concepts. Programming concepts are the fundamental building blocks of programming. These include understanding about variables, functions, and loops. Understanding the programming concepts means that being able to apply them to solve the problems and create the software. Mastery of programming concepts allows you to write more efficient and effective code. Learning programming concepts is an ongoing process. There is always something new to learn and ways to improve. By understanding the programming concepts, you can take on more complex projects and become a more versatile programmer. So if you are looking to take your programming skills to the next level, focus on mastering the programming concepts. Take time to understand the building blocks of the programming and apply them to the real-world problems. So if you want to learn more about tech topics, make sure that you are following our channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and share your friends who may be interested in techs.